Hey guys, back again with another video for the channel. As you can see, we are on the beach. Today is Saturday. It's a Saturday morning and we are spending our time at the beach. And we are off to the beach. So guys, we are on the beach today, enjoying the sun and having fun and tanning as well. If you guys do not have any plans, I encourage you to pack your bags and head to the beach. The weather is just beautiful and the sea is so clean and clear. Yes, that's our Caribbean Sea for you guys. We live in the beautiful island of St. Martin, the friendly island, and we are enjoying and taking advantage of our beautiful beaches today. So enjoy this first vlog, guys. This is a Grand Cause Rock. Let me zoom up for you guys to see. You call this the Grand Cause Rock. We are actually at Grand Cause Beach. My favorite thing to do is to look at this wall painting. It is so beautiful, guys. Look at that. So much colors, and it says high frequency of love. Indeed. So guys, this is the day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. And as you can see, we are rejoicing right now. We are just taking advantage of God's beautiful nature, God's beautiful creation. Yes, normally a typical Saturday, I would be at home in my house, working, cleaning, starting to cook, and so on. But I said today, let me pack my bags, let me get my kids, and let's head to the beach. Yes, and we are enjoying it to the max. Beautiful, beautiful Grand Cause Beach. All my Grand Cause people, shout out to you. Hi, Hannah. Hannah, you swimming?
Yeah.
Hi, Josh.
Hi.
Joshua, are you enjoying the beach?
Yeah, super.
Super?
Super fun.
You wanted to come to the beach for a long time, you say?
Yeah.
Okay.
I wanted to go Kids Zone for a long time too.
Kids Zone?
Yeah.
But the beach is free. When we go Kids Zone, mommy have to pay. And the beach is free. Which one you prefer, the beach or Kids Zone?
Kids Zone.
Oh, why?
Because I like Kids Zone.
Hannah, which one you prefer? Kids
Beach.
Zone or the beach? Beach. Yes, that's my kind of girl. Look at the boats, guys. Let me zoom in. Ooh, these are the beautiful boats at Grand Cause Beach.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm falling.
So this is our Saturday morning. We are enjoying our time at the beach. And we are having fun, and I believe we have to be doing this more often. Yes. We have to be coming to the beach more often because this is so peaceful, guys. It is so peaceful to wake up early in the morning and to come to the beach.
Yeah.
What a privilege it is as well, because we live not too far from the beach. It took us about 5 minutes to get here. And we are at the Grand Cause Beach.
Yeah, Grand Cause Beach.
And we are having fun.
Yeah.
Let me give you guys a little tour of the beach. I'm trying my utmost best to do not leave the camera fall in the water. Joshua, Hannah, you know what beach this is? What's the name of the beach? Grand Cause.
Grand Cause.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
We are having fun, guys. I'm trying my utmost to do not drop the food in the water.
In the water, I'll save it.
If I drop my phone in the water, you'll save it?
Yeah. Mommy, no.
Say hi, Hannah.
Hi, Anna.
No, you have to say hi. You don't need it, Hannah. You having fun?
Yes.
Nice. And you, Dad?
Yeah. Having super fun.
Okay, guys, what's your favorite thing to do at the beach? Joshua, let's start with you. What's your favorite thing to do at the beach?
Swim.
Swim?
Yeah.
Okay. And building sandcastle?
Yeah. And I find seashells and collection.
Oh, seashells and collection.
Yeah.
To bring in mommy house.
Yeah.
Make a whole heap of mess.
Yeah.
And you, Hannah?
What?
What's your favorite thing to do at the beach? Swim.
See the boats.
Oh, see the boats. Yes. That's a lovely thing to do as well.
Yeah.
Admiring the boats. Thank you, Joshua. Joshua, when your teeth are going to grow back?
Go back. 7 days.
In 7 days?
Yeah.
In 7 more days?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to do the countdown, okay?
Yeah.
In 7 days, Joshua's teeth are going to grow back.
Yeah. Mommy, Mommy, give me a countdown.
Countdown?
Yeah.
Okay. Show us how you can swim, Josh. Go ahead. Let's go. What? Bravo. You can swim, Josh.
Yeah. So, Mommy, so I can go all the way over there, touch. I can go all the way there and come back.
Okay. Let me see. No, you have to swim, not by walking. He's cheating, guys. He is cheating. So, as I said, what a privilege. Ooh, what a privilege we have to be living in the Caribbean. It is actually summertime, guys. It is the ending of summer. Soon back to school. Yes. And Joshua,
Yeah.
so enjoy your summer, your last days of summer vacation.
Yes.
Because soon is back to school, right, Hannah?
Yeah.
Soon is back to school.
Yeah.
So enjoy.
Enjoy my day. Sorry. Let's do it on my day. My day was super fun.
Yes.
And you're having a fun day.
So what's that, Josh?
A fishing.
Wow. And it's so beautiful.
Yeah. I'm not putting my home cup. You can hold this for me, Mommy.
Okay. Okay, put it at your home.
And they can look
Okay, pull up my house now with seashells. So guys, after spending about 2 hours at the beach, it is time to depart and to say bye-bye to Granca's Beach. We'll be seeing you very soon. Say bye-bye. Hello, Joshua. Say bye-bye. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share the video. Thanks for all the love and support.